Riang sang bhai pi baro shakanika channel ka jangi ban shaban sedang kani ka video ashkaban pintep ba ngidang shpalai ya kani ka ka video shphang uni u Muhammad bin Tuklak bat ngila airu daka content khasi hapo ka screen jangani ka video te lada fimpa yi ya kani ka video pila ban pet ya ka na kani ka channel ka jangi te mentapan ngin pet na ikini ki post ki balat naka Institute of Banking Personal Selection lanika IBPS ki kerteng jangini ki post ki langkum ni Office Assistant Multipurpose Officer Skill 1 Assistant Manager Officer Skill 2 General Banking Officer Manager Officer Skill 2 Information Technology Officer Skill 2 Chartered Accountant Officer Skill 2 Law Officer Skill 2 Treasury Manager Officer Skill 2 Marketing Officer Skill 2 Agriculture Batka Officer Skill 3 Senior Manager Tiki shpautali ki post kilai keleng hakari India tangba mentang chu ong tangi kini ki post ki balai hapo Meghalaya ti ha Meghalaya kilai hapo ka Meghalaya Rural Bank tikini ki post kilangum ni Office Assistant Multipurpose ka balai ndrutli ki post Officer Skill 1 Assistant Manager ka balai nyutli ki post bat ka Officer Skill 2 General Banking Officer ka balai artli ki post Tika last date lani katarik bakat do ba pila ban submit yaki applications ki jangpi kade u arpa pratarik banai June arajar arpoi mentang in page saya ki details jangki diki post tia ka post office assistant multipurpose ka age limit lani ka karta kade bandai hapareng khat prasnam bat arpa prasnam kamot ka sngi kha jangpi kamdai bandai shwa ka artarik u banai June hakasnam khat khandai spa khandai phulai bat kamdai bandai hadin u shitarik banai June hakasnam arjar lai dia ka post Officer Skill 1 Assistant Manager ka age limit dani ka kerta kadai hapareng khat prasnam bat lai postnam kamot ka si kha jongpi kamdai bandai shwa ka lai tarik banai June hakasnam khat khandai spa khandai phawai bat kamdai bandai hadin ulai pau tarik banai June hakasnam arajar lai bat khado ya kani ka post Officer Skill 2 General Banking Officer Manager ka age limit lani ka karta kadi bandai hapareng arpoisnam bat lai pau arsnam kamot ka sngi kha jongpi kamdai bandai shwa ka lai tarik banai June khat khandai spa prapukandai bat kamdai bandai hadin ulai pau tarik banai June kasnam arajar te mentapat ngin wan shaka educational qualifications lani ki jingdan kam tibadan kam shaba pin apply kin ki post ya ka post office assistant multipurpose phiaban pendap ya ka bachelor's degree jongpi hakano gono ka subject nakano gono ka university ka papa bat phiaban nang bhaban kran haka local language kat kom bala prescribe takini ki participating RRBs bat kin jet bha ya gitu ki don jingnang lani ki bandang ban trai bat ki computer ya ka post officer skill 1 assistant manager kaniru phiaban pendap ya ka bachelor's degree jongpi hakano kono ka subject but nakano kono ka university ka bapau but kin ai bha ya kitu ki ba dan ka degree haka agriculture horticulture forestry animal husbandry veterinary science agricultural engineering pisciculture agricultural marketing and corporation information technology management, law, economics or accountancy but pihak bandan ru kajing nang haka local language kat komba la prescribe digini ki participating RRBs but ru pihak bandan kajing nang lani pihak bandang bantri bat ki computer but khado ya kani ka post officer skill 2 general banking officer manager kani ru pihak ban pendap ya ka bachelor's degree jongpi hakano kono ka subject but nakano kono ka university ka bapa but por ba pi pass ya ka bachelor's jongpi phia banyo 100% ki marks aggregate ti kin prefer bha lani kin ai bha ya gitu ki ba dan degree haka banking finance marketing agriculture horticulture forestry animal husbandry veterinary science agricultural engineering pisciculture agricultural marketing and corporation information technology management law economics lanika accountancy But pide ru bandan R6 experience kum u officer haka bank lani haka no ka financial institution. Ti kitu ki bakwa ban apply ya kini ki post jong kani ka IBPS pihak ban apply na ka website jong kani hi ka bangala ai hapo description jong ka video but ka official notification ru la ai hapo description jong kani ka video phila ban download but phila ban pule na ka to ka official notification lada phikwa ban tip shushu shpang ki details.